Ciao, it's Marielle. I wanted to make you a video to tell you how much I love you. And I was listening to a song, it's called I'm Yours. And I will send you the song with this video because I was thinking of you with this song. And because you are very precious for me, you have a special meaning. And also I want to wish you an amazing week at your work, and I can't wait to go and meet you in Italy. I'm sure it will be pretty soon. I'm working hard for that. And also thank you so much for all your help, your support. You are amazing, my sister. I love you, and I can't wait to talk with you again. Give me your news, and I send you a lot of kisses. Millions, 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 millions of kisses. You are precious. I love you, Je.